Hello guys, in this video we're gonna learn how to solve simultaneous linear equation using elimination methods. Firstly, the two questions is given. We're going to name this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Then firstly, we are going to eliminate y or x. Okay, let's eliminate y. Okay, then we are going to multiply equation 1 by equation 1, let's say by 2, equation 2 by 3 here. For we to eliminate x, we have to look at the coefficient of y. Then we multiply equation 1 by 3, equation 1 by 2, equation 2 by 3. So that equates this. We are going to multiply 2 times 4. Here we have 8x plus 2 times 3y. We have 6y is equals to 2 times 18. Here we have that 6. That is equation 3. Then the next thing to do, we are going to multiply the second equation. That is 3 times 5. Here we have 15x plus 3 times minus 2. Here we say we have minus 6y is equals to 3 times 11. We have 33. This is equation 4. Next thing to do, we're gonna subtract equation 3 from equation 4. Let's add the equation together. Okay, that's 6 plus that 3. Here you get 69. That is 6 plus 6 minus 6. Here is 0. No need for writing the 0 here. 8 plus 15x. Here we can say here we have 23x. Then since we get 23x is equals 69, we're going to divide both sides by 23. Then we get the value of x as there. Cancel here. 69 divided by 23, x is equals to 3. Then we can substitute the value of x in any given equation. Okay, let's substitute x is equals to 3 in equation 2. If we substitute in equation 2, we have 5 into 3 minus 2y is equals to 11. 5 times 3 here is 15 minus 2y is equals to 11. Is equals to 11. We can say we have minus 2 is equals to, or we can take it to that side. We say we have minus 2y is equals to 11 minus 15. We have minus 2y is equals to 11 minus 15. We have minus 4. Then we can say minus 2y is equals to minus 4. We are going to divide both sides by minus 2. Divide both sides by minus 2. Here by minus 2. Then 2 cancel out. Then this is y is equals to minus cancel minus. 4 divided by 2 here is 2. Therefore, we conclude by saying x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.